Circle is one of the oldest tools in hardops, and before I discuss it, it's always worth going in and discussing how in preferences, loop tools is another add-on that's built into Blender that you have to enable in order for this to work. So by having loop tools enabled, you'll be able to use circle as intended. And the basis behind circle is, we start off in object mode. If we go in edit mode, let's select everything with A. And if we right click subdivide, we can just put some geometry on here. All right, and with our geometry, we'll select this single circle, and by pressing Ctrl-Shift-B, we can bevel this circle. And by rolling the wheel, we can actually add additional segments to this. And by pressing F, we can actually convert this into a single face. And so with loop tools, you can just right click and actually convert this into a circle very quickly. And this is a very good way to make a very quick circle easily in Blender. And so as a result, we have made a version of circle ourselves that kind of expands on this concept, because over time, I simply just got tired of pressing those hotkeys over and over and over and over. So now you are able to go in and just click on circle and just quickly change any vertex selection into a circle. In fact, we'll select these verts and we'll shift click mark in order to go into select to just grow our selection. We'll press spacebar to stop there. And let's actually control click it to convert every other vertex to a circle. And you can see that here we've actually converted every other vertex to a circle, which didn't give us the greatest result. So let's quarantine the situation. We'll select these faces with C, press I to inset, and let's try that again. So we control click circle, and we actually need to have an active selection. So now we do it, and we are able to basically put an end circle in every other vertex position that was on our selection here. So to show this tool in action, one of my favorite ways to tool test it is to make a dice. So we'll insert a cube, and I'll just right click and subdivide, and then Shift R, repeat it. And on this one, we shouldn't put the circle yet. We'll select one there. We'll select two here. 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then from here, we could just press Q, go in the circle, and press E, and then press E and then Alt S to push it inwards. And from here, we just put a bevel on top, and voila, we've made a dice. Alt M, blank material, and we're set to render. So just like that, you can just quick, and of course we can grow our selection and give it a blank material in edit mode, so that way we have a different color inside of our holes, and we need to alt click sharpen to fix our shading. But just like that, you can just quickly make dice inside of Blender just playing with circle and loop tools. So in a nutshell, that is where loop tools comes in for your workflow. However, another use of circle that I find enjoyable is we'll take this cube, right, and we'll subdivide it, and we'll just take this single vert, convert it into a circle. And this is actually to tie circle back in with curve extract. So we're just going to bevel this stuff manually because I don't care. And we'll take this edge, duplicate it up, and looking at this from top view, we are going to press Shift H and just delete everything else, and we'll delete every other vertex that's showing, and just extrude it down and grab both of these and press Ctrl-Shift-B to basically get this to go into the surface like so. And so if we select this and press P and separate it, we can just look at this on top of our little area that we created with circle. And I'm just going to slap a level of subdivision on it. And even in object mode, we're just going to hit it with a curve extract. And so basically we've created this piece, and we put a nice little ring around it and hit it with a level of sharpen to really just bring it together. And just like that, these two tools really work in tandem to create nice little assets without a whole lot of effort. And so I do these a lot of places around models just to create mechanical rings just without having to do a whole lot. And really it's just one of those things that the more you just practice it a couple of times, and you should definitely get a very fast grasp on it. So in edit mode, just know that you could just select a vert and just quickly just go to circle to just circle anything.